Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So in this session, we'll solve the exercise problems based on coordinate geometry. The first exercise. This first exercise is based on distance formula, children. Right? Now the question is find the distance between the following pair of points. So you need to find the distance between the given pair of points. Now, for to solve this problem, we need a distance formula. Now, what is the distance formula? So distance formula is d equals d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 y1 y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula to find the distance between the two points, children. Two given pair of points, right? Now what is the formula? Distance d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, so we have given pair of points. Take that pair of points. What is the pair of points, children? 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1, right? 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. Now just write the first point as x1 y1, the second point as y1, and the second x2 and y2. So you need to just write down as x1 y1 x2 y2 to the given pair of points, children. Now just observe the formula. D is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here we need x2, x1, y2 and y1. And for the given pair of points, just apply the first one as x1, y1 and second one as a x2 and y2. And just apply this data to this formula and simplify it. You'll get the distance between the given points. Now, D is equals to square root of. Now, what is the value of x2? The x2 is nothing but 4 minus what is x1? The x1 is 2 whole square plus what is y2? Y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3 whole square. Right, children? Now just subtract it. D is equals to square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus, so 1 minus 3 is 2. Sign of a biggest number is minus 2 whole square, right? So therefore now simplify it. So D is equals to square root of, what is the value of 2 square? 2 square is 4 plus, what is minus 2 square? Already I had told you people, any minus square will be plus. So minus 2 square is plus 4. So therefore D is equals to square root of 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Now you can simplify square root of 8 as, I'll write square root of 8 as 4 into 2. Now you need to simplify root 8 as a 4 into 2. So you can also still you can simplify this. Now what is, you have square root of 4. Square root of 4 is how much? So square root of 4 is 2. So therefore you have taken out the square root of 4. So what is the square root of 4, children? The square root of 4 is 2 and the remaining is root 2. So this is the value of, and this is the distance between the given pair of points. How much? 2, D is equals to 2 root 2 units. And this is how we will find the distance between two pair of points, children. Thank you.